don't gotta stop. I like to.
I would like to. The president. I would like to say something.
To the class watching this.
Hello. How about that right in? Oh, right in. You know, I used to think of myself as a bit of a loner. I was a one-man wolf pack. Until about 2 years ago, I met Rebecca. And then I knew I was not alone. There were two of us. Two wolf pack. Two wolves in my wolf pack. Me being the first wolf pack, and Rebecca being the second wolf pack. And then,
the third cub came along.
and then my wolf introduced me to two other wolves. And then I knew, could this be? Is this it? Yes, there were 4 wolves now in my wolf pack. Veronica being the third wolf, and Dominique being the fourth wolf. Me being the first, and Rebecca the second. And we are a wolf pack united for life. That was wolves. You know that's recording, right?
I don't know. Cut it out.